Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2100 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. This soundbar is called the Beast. 240 watts audio power. This soundbar is Dolby Audio, DTS, TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. It will help to unleash your TV sound. This soundbar can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. This is the information pack. Here we go. This is very sleek and light. It's not heavy. Accessories are in here. This is brilliant stuff, very light. There we go. And see what it looks like. And the power cable goes in here. You have aux port, USB, HDMI and optical. This soundbar is very light. The Beast, 240 watts audio power, 6 equalizer mode, Bluetooth 5.3, super powerful bass, ease play, multi connection, TV mode, ultra slim subwoofer and TV mate. HS series 2.1 channel soundbar, DTS and Dolby Audio. Hisense, the Beast. This is the subwoofer here, very slim. Brilliant. Look at that. So this, you got black clothing here. The rest is covered with plastic, and at the back here you switch this off and reset it from here. The power cable goes in here. Now what is in here? The accessories. So you have HDMI cable included in the packaging, which is handy. This is power cables, the 2 power cables. One is for soundbar, the other one is for subwoofer. and battery. Also the remote control. So we start with, we put the battery first. So you take the negative to the top right. So when you are holding the remote control, so the negative go to the top right and the positive at the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative be on the bottom, the positive be on the top. Then after that, then push this up to close it. Now this is the power cable. So take one of the power cable, go at the back, push it inside it, then plug it onto the socket. Then take this one as well. Go at the back of the subwoofer, push it inside, plug it. Then plug it onto the power socket. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this end is 80 centimeter and call it length. This is 9 centimeter. So length is 80 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter width. And the subwoofer from the front to the back is 35 centimeter. From front to the back is 35 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. Then from the top or height is 30 centimeter. This soundbar deserves your attention. You can also switch this off and on from this button, and this button here is the input plus for you to increase the volume, minor is for you to decrease the volume. You select the input, Bluetooth, USB, okay, AUX if you haven't got the remote control. But you can also select this from the remote control. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's beautiful, very sleek, the beast. It helped unleash your TV sound. This gear deserves your attention. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV via HDMI cable. If you check my video, we connected this soundbar to TV via optical cable. This soundbar can connect it to your TV via HDMI cable, optical cable, and Bluetooth. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. So what we want to do now is, before you do anything, you unplug the soundbar from the power, unplug the TV, then go at the back, take the HDMI cable, go to the back where it's written HDMI ARC. So push the cable inside it and it's in. Now take the other end of the cable, it's written HDMI ARC. Hook the cable and it's in. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to plug the soundbar to the power, plug the TV, and plug the subwoofer to the power. Once soundbar and subwoofer are linked together, you will see a steady blue light showing you that the soundbar and subwoofer are linked together. Now the next thing to do, you need to switch this soundbar on.
Power on.
It will tell you power on. So you need to select HDMI. HDMI. Okay. Now switch the TV on. Okay, and the TV is, this is the TV. This is actually connected, but I want us to do is we need to go to the TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and it's showing us now HDMI ARC device. You need to select on it. If you are doing this for the first time, okay, you need to select, go to the sound, then you need to scroll to the side where it's written HDMI. You can see optical, Bluetooth, HDMI ARC device. You need to select on it. Okay, and this soundbar now is connected via HDMI ARC. You can increase the volume using the TV remote or soundbar remote control. This is the audio.
It's painful. It's really, really painful.
Did you expect to go all the way to the final?
This is how to hook this up. This soundbar now is connected. From the remote control, you switch this soundbar on and off. This button here is the input. This is surround. This button here is Bluetooth. This button here is equalizer. You use the equalizer to select game, showing us game, news, sports, night, AI, movie, music. Okay, so depending on program you are watching, you use the equal to select this. Now, plus and minus volume is for you to increase the volume. Okay, if you want to decrease the volume, then you select minus, the volume will decrease. The forward is if you are listening to music, if you want to go play the next music, then you select forward, and backwards is play the previous one. The center one is pause and play. This button here is bars. The bars, you can increase the bars to +5. +5 is maximum, -5 is the minimum. If you select minus, you go to -5. You can see -5. So the +5 is maximum. The center one is treble. If you select treble, +5 is the maximum and -5 is the minimum. This button here is dimmer. You select minus to the light will go off. If you select plus, the light will be back on for the information display. So this is something that I thought to share with you, how to connect this soundbar via HDMI cable. And when it's in HDMI, you can control the volume using the soundbar remote control. Likewise, TV remote. So this is something that I thought to share with you. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.